Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on OpenTable application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on OpenTable, firstly open your OpenTable application. The home page of OpenTable will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then click on Account Settings. On the next page, tap on Account Details. Under Email, enter your new email address and click on Save. A confirmation link will be sent to your email address. Check your mail and confirm your email address by clicking on Confirm New Email. This is how you can change your email on OpenTable quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.